Do you see snow anywhere on this map? No.
Tonight you do.
No, you don't. There's no images of snow
There's
on
not.
this. See this? Look. There's sailboats and oranges and sunshine and happiness and freedom.
Alligators.
Zero snow.
He's taking a nap. This one's really taking a nap. We've got all the palms protected with blankets. And the birds of paradise are all protected with blankets. We don't have anything tall enough to get the top, so we're doing the best we can here. And we're supposed to see snow. So let's hope all my tropical plants make it through the freeze. We got little sheets on here. We've got a heater, and all the quail have a blanket. They're in this thing over here. They have a blanket and they have a heater in there. Also, like the fish. We have the fish. So hoping that they do okay. I mean, they're from Japan. What are you doing?
I'm gonna go out and look at the heat pump.
Do you have a flashlight?
Huh?
Do you have a flashlight? Look at you. Oh my gosh, I hope their heat's not going out. So that's the noise of the heat pump that's currently making. He just called and asked for a pitcher of hot water. So it must be frozen. Why do you look like you're going in the Arctic?
It's frozen.
That's what I said when I
It's
was
covered
like,
in ice.
oh my gosh.
And there's like sticks and stuff that fell down in there. And they're frozen.
Oh.
You notice how much quieter it is?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was banging on it and all the
Is
ice.
it raining?
Yeah.
Oh. Holy cow. How's that gonna not do that all night?
Well, I need to get the frozen sticks out of it.
Okay, here you go. Just over here doing Florida stuff. What are you doing?
Frozen solid.
Oh yeah? It's been a long winter, huh?
Do you know what happens? You know what happens when you dump hot water into the top of a AC unit with the fan on? It blows out in a very cold mist of water all over you. But I got it all thought out. So it'll go through like a defrost mode
Yeah.
when it freezes solid, but I just didn't want the fan getting messed up.
Does it remind you of your Alaska days?
We're not built for this. We live in Florida. Look.